First, open Canva on your PC or mobile. Here, create a new design by clicking the plus button in the top left or use the existing project to add a code. Here you can choose any size, but if you're making a QR code for branding, a logo design works great. Now, on the left panel, scroll down and find Apps. Click on it. In the search bar, type QR and hit Enter. You'll see several options, but we're going with the simple QR code generator. Click on it. Next, just paste your URL into the designated field. This could be your website, Instagram, YouTube, or anything you want to link to. Once you've entered it, click Generate Code. Now your code has been generated successfully. You can resize and position your QR code however you like. Other than that, click on Customize from the App tab. Choose the background color and then the foreground color. So the foreground color will be the actual shapes of the QR code. And then we can choose a margin around the QR code and then generate that code. Once you're happy with it, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. And that's it. Your QR code is ready to use. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quick tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.